Hello, this is Master Luke Chen. So today I want to talk about Tao Te Ching and Qigong and the way we practice Qigong using the Tao Te Ching. Now, our body is energy, in other words, a vibration. So frequency, if you look at Tesla, Nicholas Tesla, his idea is whole body is energy. So we have vibration. In the term of Qigong is the Qi, and of course Tao Te Ching, Tao begets 1 and 2, 3 and 10,000 things. Now this is also one is called the Qi. Tao is everything, is Tao. So we are is a mass of Qi. So from our own body and then to the universe is the same. Now, since we are live, biology, we are alive and we need food. We need energy to maintain our life. In Qigong, we will practice on the way we reimburse ourselves with the food, the energy. The first, the breath. So we need air or oxygen to break food into energy into our body. So we breathe in through the nose, and of course using abdominal, the dantian to do the breathing, because the breathing from the dantian and then to the middle dantian between the shoulder blades, that's the area. So from the dantian, the shoulder area, and then your tongue, and then the whole body breathes, not just through the nose. Of course, primarily through the nose, but also through our whole body, expanding, closing. This is the oxygen or the Qi going through our body that replenish our body with energy. And of course now, so the breathing is the breathing technique is thinking about the dantian. So we need to sink down, keep calm, so that the whole thing we need in Tao Te Ching tells us, or 10 chapters, how we keep calm to meditating, like a bowl of gold inside our dantian, like we sitting down. Meanwhile we doing it is moving, but like sitting down. So you bring in and out effortlessly, but a lot of air coming in and going out. It's very efficient. Instead of a lot of people not doing Qigong, they doing very shallow breathing. So the chest breathing, especially men, women better. So thinking the lower dantian, the air, the diaphragm going up and down, the volume of air, oxygen going in is much more if you turn your diaphragms down and then up, and then they create the space, the lungs cavity become bigger and more oxygen coming in each breath. And so instead of breathing a lot of times, waste a lot of energy in moving your chest, we doing deep abdominal breathing will bring in more air, oxygen, energy in each breath. That's how we live natural, long lifestyle, because we save energy along every breath. Now, of course, breathing is free, the air, and now come into the water. Water is required to our, of course, the food, water, food. So water, you imagine the tongue and the saliva coming down, so the tongue move the tongue and we chew, imagine we chew food, eating food, chew food, and then get the water, saliva, going through our digestive system, through that stomach, and then through our system. So moving the tongue, and then stimulate the secretion of saliva and the hormones that increase our digestions. And of course, we are food, vegetables, and then we eat food. So we're grateful, we have a heart of thankfulness for what we have, we'll be taking in, because without food, without water, without air, we cannot survive. So we thank heaven, or thank farmers, or whoever you think of, give thanks, is basically Tao. Thank you for the food we taken in. So so the concept of Tao Te Ching is one of the secrets is love. So we love. So I myself think of a rose. So inside, so I smile the rose, and then give me a good stress-free environment. I'm grateful, I'm happy, I love what the nature provides me. So that's the important. And then we all know that we have to understand everything is yin and yang. So whatever happened to you, you always think positive. If you're sick, you think thank you, because now you're aware of well-being, that you actually are healthy because you're sick. So you always think healthy, always think positive. So you understand the yin yang. So the sun rise, the sun will set. The flower bloom, flowers fade. So it's a cycle. We understand that, and then accept this is a part of nature, the part of the cycle of Tao. By understanding this, we will deal with difficult situations much better, less stress. Less stress means we are more healthier. And of course, the most important, or one of the secrets, is that we are Tao. You know, Tao begets 1, 2, 3, you and me. So everything is Tao. So we feel Tao is here and now. We feel it. And then, of course, what we can see is 5 senses. What we cannot see is the sensation that we are one. Actually, we have roots. So like a tree with the roots, you cannot see the roots, but that's what the roots are, the Tao. So we are all connected with one another. Is the whole cosmic. We are connected. By understanding that we are not alone, we are together with the big picture. We and the universe and the trees, stardust, the whole thing. We are actually one of the cosmic. We are connected through Qi, or connected, whatever you think of. But for us, Tao Te Ching, the Tao, through Tao, a divine thing. So we really, we feel that we're part of the whole thing. And then of course you feel the center, head touch the sky, feet on the earth, the center line. Your pulsation with energy, vibration with energy, and then with going out, and then you attract healing energy. Feel your body from the smallest atom, even inside, emptiness, and then become whole again, and what you can see, and then going inside, invisible Wu is the Wu, invisible space, and there's the Wu Wei. So we are, every breath is the celebration of life. Every breath we take in energy. It's beautiful. So Tao Te Ching, 8 secrets is about how we as human beings, how we live harmoniously with all the 10,000 things, with the trees, animal, fish, and the blue sky and everything. So we're being part of it. We thank you for that, and we're always grateful for the water we drink, for the food we eating, and then for the air we breathing in. We feel the love, we feel the center. So the whole thing is part of being joyful, creative of the living. All right. So, but anyway, love yourself, love others, love nature is the essence of Tao. Thank you. I love you from Yang So.